What's up, guys? This is Greg from Masterson's Car Care. I wanted to let you guys know that we got our gallons of hand sanitizer back in stock. We have it right here, and ever since the coronavirus pandemic started, we've been making hand sanitizer. So if you guys need hand sanitizer to stay safe, we got it in the gallon size. We also got it in 16-ounce bottles, and we got it in my favorite, which is the 4-ounce bottle. Now, if you need hand sanitizer, I know hand sanitizer is very hard to find right now. You can hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, because we're fully stocked on hand sanitizer. So you can hop over to our website and order it direct, shipped to your door. You don't need to go outside. You don't need to risk it and go down to the store and pick this up. You can get it directly shipped right to your door. That's my preference. I order everything by the mail and get it shipped. So we can go ahead and ship you the hand sanitizer, and we offer free shipping over $99. Now, if you want some gallons, we have some limited gallons in stock. We have some limited supply. We make a lot for hospitals and stores around California, and we can ship it directly to you. This full-size gallon, you can pick it up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. Go ahead and search hand sanitizer and pick one of these up. The gallon's gonna last you a long time because this is hospital-grade hand sanitizer gel. Now, the gel is actually a much more effective formula than the water-thin formula sprays. And this gel, you only use the tiniest bit. I'll go ahead and use a little bit right here from our 16-ounce bottle. I love these 16-ounce bottles. They come with a flip top, so you can actually refill your other bottles if you have smaller bottles and you want to take them on the go. Like some people have 2-ounce bottles. Or if you're a business that's opening up when America goes back online, you're gonna wanna pick up one of these bottles or the gallon, because you could pour this inside of your dispensers. So if you currently have dispensers, why not just pick up a gallon, pour it into your dispensers, and keep going with the technology and the machines that you got. I like having these 16-ounce bottles because they're great. They have a little flip top, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit in my hand, and then I'm gonna go ahead and work it on some hand sanitizer. This is high quality hand sanitizer gel. It's 75% alcohol, and it contains purified water, 75% by volume isopropyl alcohol, and it also contains hydrogen peroxide and glycerin, and it's a gel formula. So we have one of our 4-ounce bottles right here. You shake it up, you see the bubbles inside, because this is a gel formula, so it's much more effective than the water-thin formula. I love it. And look, my hands are already dry. They've dried, and now they feel clean, and they smell very fresh. So if you guys want to pick up a gallon, go ahead and pick one up, mastersonswax.com. You can get it shipped directly to your door, free shipping over $99. Plus, you can check out all the other great products that we have on our mastersonswax.com website, from glass cleaner, interior cleaner, keep your car clean, keep yourself safe. We're also going to be releasing a brand new product coming up real soon to clean and disinfect all surfaces in your lifestyle. So follow this Facebook or this Instagram page, Masterson's Car Care on Facebook, Masterson's Wax on Instagram, and check out the new products that we're gonna release. Pick up a hand sanitizer gel. You can get it right now, shipped directly to your door. You don't need to go to the stores. You don't need to go wait in those lines. I know those lines are so long. I don't wanna wait in them. So go ahead and order it directly shipped right to your door from our website, mastersonswax.com. Check out the description of this video. We'll put some links right here to get some hand sanitizer. And remember, we have a limited supply of our hand sanitizer gel in gallon sizes. And once they're gone, we don't know when we're going to get them back. So go ahead and pick it up online, mastersonswax.com. And we'll see you guys here. Stay safe. Get it shipped online. Get it shipped right to your door. We're shipping fast every single day. So you order online and it gets shipped fast directly to your door. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. Stay safe, and we'll see you guys right here next time.